Today, we are making an easy dip that's perfect for holiday parties, whipped ricotta and honey dip. There are only a few simple ingredients, but we're going to turn them into something delicious and addicting. I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper, and I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make, like this whipped ricotta dip with honey. It's great on its own or served alongside a charcuterie board. So let me show you how to make it. All right, this dip is so super simple to make. So obviously, based on the name, it starts with ricotta cheese. Now I like to use the whole milk ricotta. I use it in everything. I just find that it's creamier, but feel free to substitute the part skim. Entirely up to you. So we're gonna put the entire container in our bowl. I just love ricotta cheese. It's so good, even on its own. A little drizzle of sugar in there, and it's like dessert. Okay. So to our cheese, we're going to add a little bit of olive oil. All right. Now, as the name implies, we are going to whip this bad boy up. So we have our handy dandy mixer. We're just gonna get in there and whip it up till it's nice and fluffy. All right. That's looking good. So we're going to, that's it really. I mean, that was the hardest part of the whole thing. So I'm gonna get this transferred into a bowl and we will finish it off. All right, so I've transferred the whipped ricotta into a serving bowl. So we'll finish the recipe here. So to this, I've warmed up a little bit of honey and we're just going to drizzle that on top. Ooh, so good. Now I've warmed the honey, which makes it a little easier to drizzle. And you want it, I'm trying to get it down into the little nooks and crannies there. There we go. And to that, we're going to add just another little drizzle of olive oil, just a really fine bit. And then for that salty sweet combination, we're going to add just a quick turn of, this is kosher salt that I have in my grinder, and some fresh ground black pepper. It works best with fresh ground for this recipe. I mean, it's such a simple recipe. It's good to use the best ingredients that you can find. And this is all there is to it. So you can easily put this aside a charcuterie board. It would make a great dip for that. Or you can just make yourself a bowl of it and curl up with a good Netflix series and binge all afternoon, which is probably what I would do. But I just have, you could use focaccia. I just have some toasted Italian bread, and I am going way in there. Oh yeah, this looks amazing. I can't wait. Mmm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, the sweetness from the honey topped with the soft whipped ricotta. You guys, this is incredible. This whipped ricotta dip with honey is definitely a keeper. What would you serve with it? Let me know in the comments. And if you want another incredible dip recipe, make sure you check out my white pizza dip. Everyone goes bonkers for it. Thanks for joining me today. You can get the full printable recipe in the video description below. I'll see you next time. Bye.